Hi Bernard, yes, there are two locations that I'm aware of. One is the header full, so the background.css. So let's just go in here, go to the site, your styles, and your backgrounds.css. Start off here. There is the header full screen, and there is the height right there. So first of all, remove this one right here, where it says height 100 VH, which is 100% of the vertical height of the viewers, the visitors monitor. Remove that line. Then you can change the 800 to whatever number you want. Change it to 600 if that's how tall they want it to be. 500 is probably going to be about halfway. Okay. The next thing you need to do is actually go into the site sliders, full screen slider, CSS, and right here on line 2, same thing. Get rid of the height 100 VH. Change this height to match whatever height you're putting in the background. So if 500 is the number, 500 is the number right here. Now, when you do this, you'll probably have to adjust the positioning of the title and whatnot and take all that into consideration. And all that stuff is right down below. See this top of 30% for the title, and then there's the site, and then we have a description. They all have a top, and it's all based on percentage. You may find it better to put that in pixels, but you'll have to adjust that as well. Okay. So the things you'll definitely need to adjust: the top for the title. So the slider title, there's a top position. And if you just go down the page, the next thing is the site, which is the little smaller text at the bottom. That has a top position. And then the description has a top position. Okay. You may need to adjust those. I'm not, we'll see here. Let's just preview it and see what it looks like. Because you've got all these boxes down here, see how the 500 is about halfway down? And they take up quite a chunk of room there. So, if you're still using the featured boxes, just something to keep in mind. But depending on the picture in the background, right? And you, in this case, may be far better off without captions and without titles and descriptions for your full screen slider, because there's not going to be a lot of room. So anyways, play around with the numbers and you'll come up with something that works.